Let's begin by placing the ground pork in a mixing bowl, followed by spring onions, chop white onion, grated carrots, finely chopped na hipon, egg white, at haluin ng mabuti until all ingredients are well incorporated. Then ilagay natin ang mga pampalasa na soy sauce, oyster sauce, sesame oil, at ground black pepper. Once again haluin natin ng buti until well blended. At this moment gagamit tayo ng Jose wrapper, yun hugis bilog, mabibili natin ito sa mga local groceries at supermarket. Now maglagay na tayo ng pork mixture sa wrapper, about a tablespoon, then fold the wrapper and seal the edges. Just follow this video at makukuha nyo rin yung technique nito. Using a non-stick pan, pahiran ng manipis na oil ang pan at ilagay ang mga dumplings, pirituhin ito for 1 minute, then flip it over on the other side, at buhusan ng 1/4 cup na tubig ang pan at takpan natin ito. Once nag-evaporate na ang tubig sa pan, ilagay na ang mga Jose dumplings sa plate and it's ready to be savored.